everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel today with Bibi May. So today, I meet the beautiful ladies here in Quezon Park, my favorite place. And then, what is your name?
My name is Catherine Rabusa.
How old are you?
18.
18 years old.
Yes.
When your the birthday?
March 16,
Ah,
2005.
okay. And then, are you still studying?
Yeah.
Ah.
Graduating student po.
High school or college?
Senior high.
Senior high. Wow. This year?
Yes.
Wow. Advance for congrats.
Thank you.
Where you living?
I live in San Miguel, Bacong.
Part in Dumaguete, guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Negros Oriental.
Okay. How about you?
I'm Rachel Ann Orias,
Okay.
18 years old and a graduating student, senior high.
We're
Classmate?
classmates.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. What are you doing here in the Quezon Park?
We're
Just
roaming
roaming
around.
Okay. Like looking the okay. You love okay?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because it's good quality, right?
Yeah.
And then it's very cheap. Yeah.
affordable.
Yeah. So, are you everyday come in Dumaguete? Everyday?
Depends on schedule if we need to go
No.
to school.
Okay. So, how many do you have the sibling?
4.
4?
And I'm the 4th child.
So you mean you're the youngest?
No, I'm the 4th.
Yeah, you're the 4th.
So,
You're okay, and then you're the next. You're the youngest. What is the youngest? Boy or girl?
girl.
Girl. Okay.
Grade 9 student.
Okay. And then you're the sister, eldest sister or Brother.
Working. Brother.
brother?
He's working at Manila.
In Manila.
Yeah.
And then your mother
Working at Manila din.
in Manila. How about you? Who's the people with together with you in the house?
My father and my sisters.
Okay. Okay. Sorry for the question. So you mean how many years your mother in Manila?
I think since grade school na siya sa Manila, then once a year siya mo ulit there is Dumaguete.
So once a year in
Yeah.
vacation in Dumaguete.
Yeah.
Okay. She's working in Manila.
Yeah.
Okay. It's so hard, no, because your mother is far away with your
Yeah,
father.
it's really hard. But we have to
Accept.
understand na lang kay she's working for us naman.
What kind of job your mother?
Security guard at sa hospital. Lady guard.
Lady
rather.
guard in the hospital.
Yeah. Sa hospital sa mga sundalo. Dito siya
Hospital in the like army?
Yeah. Veluna Hospital.
Okay. So, like how many years your mother working in the lady guard?
I don't know, but wala ko kabalo pila na ka years.
Okay. Like,
think
so you mean
5 years or dugay naman ko siya naa sa
Manila?
Manila.
And then, every month for sending the money with your
Yes, then nara po yung nag-provide na mo sa about sa mga galastuan sa Mumbalay. Among ate kay the second
okay.
nag-work na po siya. Manana siya eskwela.
So how old you're the
The second,
yeah, the second
I think
sister?
25.
25.
Oo.
What kind of job your sister?
Na siya sa SPI, I think accounting or Japan.
It's nice. It's
Yes.
nice job. And then how about you? How many do you have the siblings?
5. I'm the youngest.
Are you the youngest? By the way, are you Chinese?
No, I'm pure Filipina.
Because your eyes like a Chinese,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
I think your family have the blood the Chinese.
No,
What do you think?
pure Filipina.
Pure the
yeah.
Filipina.
Yeah.
I see. And then you're living in
Sibulan, but I'm from Manila.
Ah,
Yeah.
And then,
We move here.
okay, because you have relatives here?
Yes,
Ah.
my mother's side.
Mother side. Okay. You grew up in the Manila.
Yes.
What is different Manila in the what is different Manila or in Dumaguete? What do you like?
Well, I like Dumaguete.
You like her in Dumaguete?
Yes, because of the nature.
Okay, because in
Then
Manila,
and the transportation too.
oh yeah, because in Manila it's very expensive, like cheap or taxi.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then how many years here in Dumaguete?
Almost 3 years.
3 years?
Yes.
Okay. But you born in the Manila.
Yes.
Okay. So, do you have a plan for someday you graduating the school, you back to the Manila, like working?
I think I'm planning to work in Manila.
Okay. Because in Manila is more than highest the salary
Salary,
compared in here
yes.
in
Yeah.
Dumaguete. Yeah. So if you're the graduating the high school and the next college, what is your the plan for the course both?
I'm planning to take BS nursing.
Oh,
Me, planning to take a BSOA,
what the meaning that?
office administration. It's about accounting or job.
Business.
Business, yeah.
Like the Cebuhana, like that.
Yeah.
Accounting, okay. And then I back with you. Why you like nursing?
Because I stay for hospital because of my father, and then
Okay.
I saw how the struggle of the nursing. And then I'm planning to take nursing because I want to be a doctor. So
Wow.
so nursing is my pre-med.
Okay. And then the next doctor.
Yes.
Okay. So if your wish come true, if you come that, do you have a plan for apply for go to the abroad?
Yeah.
Which the country you like?
Canada, because my auntie is living there.
In the Canada.
Yeah.
She's married in the foreigner.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Citizen na siya dito.
Wow. How many years for your aunt living there?
I think more than 20 years.
Wow. How old your aunt is now?
40 or 50.
She have a kid with the husband in foreigner.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. And then she vacation here in Dumaguete
Last year, she
last
is
year.
here.
Oh,
She's working there.
in Canada,
Accounting.
accounting. Oh, wow. Yeah. Hopefully, because you're 18 years old. Yeah. Hopefully someday your wish come true.
Yeah, thank
Yeah.
you.
And then how about you?
I don't have a plan yet, but I ganara po ko unsa ang for sa akong ate. Mora akong plan kay parang ganahan ay karon manggod kay focus magud ko sa akong kanang modeling. Mo akong gikuan.
really?
Oh.
Wow. Where?
Nang sa course nako like ako lang ganahan ako sa unsay course sa akong ate pod. Kay
Guys,
into business.
She is
pod.
modeling.
Yeah.
Modeling for what?
Runway. I'm joining runway modeling.
Wow. Really?
Experience.
Wow. Can you good? Wow. Later, guys, I hope, can you give me the example later for modeling walking?
Oh my God.
Yes, because what if you getting famous? What if because my video is in the YouTube and then is a lot people watching foreigner. What if that how people discover with you?
Oh my God.
What even have the American people watching and then his offer with you? Oh, I get that for model in the like model in the clothes like that, model in
As-
the magazine.
For now, I'm focusing on studying.
Studying.
Yeah.
How about your modeling? For if not have a class?
Yes.
So if the modeling like once a week?
No, last June June 2022 ni join Manilas na akong join sa modeling runway. It's a kaan competition. It's a gala competition.
So how you join? How do you join in the modeling?
How I joined that modeling.
Join.
I just saw that that company in Facebook online.
Online.
Then I joined.
Okay.
Lot
So,
of expenses I've
so do you need a pay?
yes.
How much the pay?
Almost 10,000 ang
10,000?
yeah, almost
Per
10.
each?
I know.
Enrollment?
Enrollment is 2K.
Okay.
Then there's chairs pa, other expenses para
For every... Okay.
Then during the competition, like name expenses sa mga gowns. So almost 10K ang nagastos sa akong mama.
10,000?
Mm.
If have people, what I mean? Sponsor for help or buy the gown like that? Sponsor?
No.
The
Just
modeling don't sponsor
Yes.
anything.
The
It's a
modeling
workshop.
agency.
Only the workshop?
Yeah.
Like that?
They will teach you
How to walk?
and then
There's
they will help you to
that agency is just a competition. Then the first agency I joined is the Lady Morgana Talent Academy.
In
So
Valencia,
there,
right?
yeah,
I see
you
in
know
the
that. Oh,
I see in the Facebook.
I'm one of the models. Atong
Last year or last month?
year 2020 guro kay lugay na kung
2
wala
years?
na nibalik
No, 2
kay
years? 2 years ago.
oo kay kaana naman sila club, so wala ko ni join kay wala naman sila nagkaan silang
I see.
agency.
So like how many like how old the for the ladies, how old have the limit for the age or no age limit?
no limit. Yeah, yes, it's free training po.
Free training.
So that's the first time I joined
Okay.
modeling training.
Are you the winner? You're the winner?
No.
No?
How, I just modeling training. Then the
Okay.
last year, June 2022,
Okay.
we have just received a certification. Those who did not win in that competition.
Okay. So like how many the ladies for modeling walking?
I think 20 above.
20?
Yes.
So not 20. 20 ladies guys
Yeah.
for modeling walking.
And there's only three.
Three
Previous
winners. Three winner?
Each category, and then nakas category 2.
Okay. If you're the winner there and walking the modeling, have the prize?
Yeah, no. You have to compete the national gala in Manila. Sa MOA.
I see.
Yes.
then after that
You can have that prize.
okay, so
Then
like how
represent the prize, 500,000, so
Wow.
500,000.
It's so big, no?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's national gala competitions.
Wow. And then after that, you get the like actress like.
runaway or
Runway.
Oh.
Then also,
like Q&A?
no Q&A. It's just traditional costumes.
Wow.
You're just representing your province, your place.
Okay.
Just
And then, your staff or you continue?
I stopped
Your
there.
staff. Do
Kaya,
you have a plan for come back for join again?
I don't think so, but studying sa ako.
Studying first. Yeah. So, studying first, guys. Before for join again the modeling walking. Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. I think you're good for the modeling walking. But no height limit.
No.
No, it's nice, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, it's nice. So, the first you have felt nervous or
Yes,
shy?
of course.
Okay.
Because it's my first time to join a big competition
Okay.
here in Dumaguete.
And then is a lot of people watching.
Yes.
Oh.
And no one, it's only my sister who
for
supported
attend.
me,
Okay.
who cheering me.
Okay.
And it's like Makaulaw siya. But it's okay na paano na ako.
The first you're shy, but
Yes.
getting long time you feel comfortable.
Yes.
Wow.
I just enjoyed
Yeah,
the show.
enjoy. And then, are you watching there?
No.
Why?
I can't.
That time is
We're not friends that time.
we're not close.
Oh, we're not
see.
close.
And wala po ko nang invite sa akong mga
Like-
classmates ato.
Like a secret surprise?
No, it's
We already know that she's a model, but
they don't know na ako'y competition ato that time.
Okay.
Wala ra ko di
But
kanon.
it's nice you telling you're the classmate because need the
I think they're
gold.
busy po ato.
No,
It's Sunday and gabi na siya mahuman, so
What, what time for beginning?
3 p.m. so sa category 2 nag-start na siya mga 5, so gabi na nila uli ato.
Okay.
So, but it's okay naman.
Okay. For the training, like how many a week or a month for the
It's
training?
only for weekends. Sa unang agency, matay modeling training na ako.
Okay.
Then, katong last year, matay competition ang gi-appelan.
Okay.
Nga first runway modeling competition.
So how you feel that?
Feel,
Are you proud yourself?
Yes. Because that's the first time.
Wow.
I
I
joined
think your
niya.
family very proud with you.
Yes.
Yeah, because you know it's a lot
Yeah.
ladies for dream that for modeling, walking. Yeah, because you competition and then you're the winner and then go to the Manila for competition again. And then if you're the winner, you getting very famous. Yeah. So what do you like to telling to same your age if have the plan for someday for apply the like modeling like you, modeling walking? Sorry guys, only the lady sitting here in the no chairs because here have another people. So sorry for disturbing with you.
It's
Thank you
okay.
so much. So what do you like for advice that same your age? If have the plan for apply for join for modeling walking.
If you have someday to those my ka-age, like if you have a plan to join modeling, I please keep in mind that don't mind what other people say about you. Just enjoy and focus on it.
So do you have a plan for someday for apply for like Big Brother for the actress or drama like that?
No, I
What
don't
is
have
your hobby in your life?
dancing and
Dance-
painting.
You love painting.
Yeah.
But the painting, you know, is very expensive if you good the
Yeah.
painting. Yeah. Where you get the talent that the painting?
Family, it's on
Your
our
mother?
genes. Mother side, yeah.
Mother side?
My cousin is good at.
Good. I see. And how about you? Only the modeling, your talent?
Also, painting. I love to do
I see. So you mean you-
lettering, mga calligraphy like that.
wow.
Dancing.
Okay.
Then,
Dancing.
playing chess.
Okay.
Maran.
How about sing? How about you?
No.
Okay. So guys, the ladies give for the TikTok dance. Wow, congrats girls. So guys, next is what is your game again? Is passion shoe. So thank you so much ladies. What is your name again?
My name is Catherine Rabusa.
And then
Rachel Ann Arias.
oh, thank you so much for joining to my YouTube channel and guys, see you next video. Bye bye. Bye bye ladies.